Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Polygon, Matic, took titles a few times all through 2021 and arrived at a few fantastic highs. Also, presently financial backers are asking what is Polygon generally anticipated to reach? Before we uncover our top Polygon Matic cost expectations, we should initially see how much is a Polygon? Also, what is the worth of one Matic? As per our drawn-out Polygon cost forecast, the cost of Polygon will reach $2.66 toward the finish of 2022, ascending to $4.40 toward the finish of 2023 and $10.11 toward the finish of 2025. Polygon will then, at that point, ascend to $31.20 in 2027, and $50.45 in 2030. Are these Matic cost projections practical or unreasonably bullish? In the event that you're actually battling to sort out whether or not Polygon Matic is a wise venture, we guarantee you'll have a response toward this video's end. Continue to peruse to perceive the amount Matic could be worth in 2022, 2023, 2025, 2027, and 2030, and every one of the in the middle between. The local badge of Polygon is Matic, named after its unique marking, Matic Network. Matic is an ERC20 symbolic that is utilized to pay for administrations on the stage. It can likewise be utilized as a settlement cash between various clients, as well as to pay exchange expenses. There is a complete stock of 10 billion Matic tokens, and one token can be separated into 18 decimal spots. Specialized analysis of Polygon, Matic. Leading Matic value investigation is an outright unquestionable necessity. Outfitted with top-to-bottom examination, you'll be better ready to make exact Polygon cost expectations. From the Polygon Matic cost chart above, you can rapidly see that Polygon has not been available for extremely lengthy, just somewhat over 2 years. This can make any specialized examination exceptionally restricting. Moreover, the 2021 bull run can make it harder to sort out Matic's legitimate cost potential really. By and by, there are a few perceptions that we can make. First and foremost, from its creation until the start of 2021, Matic sold for 1 cent to 2 cents, thus arriving at costs of $1 to $2 was a tremendous jump. Furthermore, most clearly, Polygon is impacted by the cost of Bitcoin and any bullish feeling on the lookout. Very much like numerous other cryptographic forms of money, it detonated in May 2021 and afterward in October and November 2021. As an ERC20 token and in view of the Ethereum blockchain, the achievement, and accordingly, cost of Polygon is continuously going to be intently attached to that of ETH. With the fruition of Ethereum 2.0 still long awaited, we could see the cost of Polygon increment once wrapped up. Ethereum 2.0 is a progression of updates that will endeavor to tackle a large number of the varieties that Polygon as of now explores on the Ethereum blockchain. These incorporate the stage's sluggish exchange speed, high expenses, and possibly careless security. It's normal that the update will make interest in ETH increment. And assuming that is the situation, we could see the cost of Matic go with the same pattern. By and large, it seems to be there's little holding Polygon up to the top. Our Polygon cost forecast examination emphatically proposes that Matic is an incredible momentary venture, 1 year, or a long-haul speculation, 5 to 10 years. Here are our Polygon cost expectations for 2022 to 2030. Polygon, Matic. Price prediction 2022. 2022 will see Polygon become the #1 scaling answer for Ethereum. The Matic cost is supposed to ascend to a yearly high of $2.87, hit a yearly low of $1.18, and end 2022 at $2.66, according to our transient Polygon Matic cost expectation gauge. By 2022, Matic/USD will achieve a normal of $2.59. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2023. DeFi projects trying to scale quicker on the Ethereum blockchain will jam over to Polygon in 2023. Beginning 2023 at $2.67, Matic will hit a limit of $5.26 and end the year at $4.40. Our transient Polygon cost expectation likewise gauges at least $2.58 and a yearly normal of $3.79. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2024. With Ethereum finishing its change to confirmation of stake, Polygon will investigate various ways it can uphold the organization. Getting a middle cost of $6.12 in 2024, Polygon won't be worth under $5.42 and can arrive at a top cost of $9.28. A finish-of-year cost of $8.09 is additionally expected by our 2024 Polygon Matic cost expectation. On the off chance that you're pondering would it be advisable for me I put resources into Polygon temporarily, it seems to be a decent choice with Matic expected to ascend from a 2022 low of $1.18 to a 2024 high of $9.28. Be that as it may, long-haul cost expectations propose greater increases could be made towards the finish of the 2020s. Anyway, what might we at any point hope to find in the long haul? Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2025. Ethereum completing its progressing to confirmation of stake in 2025 will affect Polygon and take it to new highs. Crossing the $10 boundary from the beginning in 2025, in light of our gauges Matic/USD will arrive at an unequaled high of $15.13. Until the end of 2025, Matic will be valued at $7.63 at the most reduced and close the year at a normal of $10.11, a 330% increment starting from the start of 2022. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2026. As the DeFi projects keep on expanding into 2026, Matic stands to acquire the most out of the whole Ethereum biological system. Declining to sell lower than $8.47, our 2026 long-haul Matic cost forecast has verified that Polygon will arrive at a record high of $24.17. The typical expected cost for 2026 will be $17.46 and Matic will be valued at $23.25 toward December's end. Polygon, Matic, price prediction 2027. 2027 stands to be the year institutional cash downpours in on Polygon as financial backers from all foundations recognize its exhibition. Moving to the $30 hindrance, Matic will hit a high of $33.84 towards the finish of 2027 and decline to an end cost of $31.20. Our 5-year Polygon Matic cost expectation puts the resource at a normal of $20.